This whole chapter is actually an extension of probability, but there are certain terminologies that we have to understand. Okay, so let me start with this small example to introduce all the different terms that we need. I've got a box here that has 4 red balls and 2 green balls. They tell us that we're going to select 3 balls at random without replacement. They're always going to define a certain term for us. And here they say that the number of green balls is going to be denoted by X. We first start thinking about what values X can take. X is the number of green balls, and it could take, say, 0, 1, and 2 green balls. Because minimum green is 0, maximum will be 2. So the range is usually unknown. We will have to determine that on our own. For every of these questions in this chapter, they will not tell you what is your range. Then they will start with, let's find this thing called a probability distribution. Probability distribution is actually trying to construct a table that will show you all possible outcomes of the variable alongside the respective probabilities. So you will have to list down your 0, 1, 2 and calculate the probabilities. We look at how to calculate this. I will just talk about the one with Px is 1. Px is 1 refers to you have 1 green and 2 red balls. So to calculate this, we will think of a tree. Let's say we have ball 1. The 2 possible choices are, I can go for green or red. So if we think of it from a tree perspective, what's the chance of getting that green? Green will be 2 out of 6 because you have 2 green balls. And then 4 out of 6 for the red. So for X to be 1, it's 1 green, 2 red. So next path that we want to think of as ball number 2 with further branch. I will just write in the necessary terms that we are going to require. So if my first one is green, then I know that the next path will be red. And getting a red on that next path will be red. There are 4 balls out of a total now of 5. Your number of balls will drop by 1. And I just draw one more branch. If you have green, red again, we are looking for this branch where now the probability of that is now 3/4.